Hey guys, it's me again, Cindy, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I just want to share with you guys na nanalo ako sa isang giveaway hosted by Miss Mae Layug. And I'm very happy kasi first time kong manalo sa isang giveaway. So ever since college kasi mahilig na akong mag-join sa different contests, pero hindi talaga ako nananalo. And ngayon, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga nakuha ko. Finally, here is my prize. Diyan. So, buksan na natin, guys. Okay, ito yung loob. I have 7 creamy blushes from For You 2. The first one is this C1 in the shade You Make Me Smile. Ayan. Next is C2, I Am Your Wife. Next is C3, You Are My 24/7. Ang cute ng mga shades nila, guys. Ng mga pangalan ng shades nila. Fourth is C4, I'm Looking at You. Ayan. Next is C6, I'm Perfect for You. Medyo brown. Next is C7, You Are Being Shy. Ayan. And the last one is C8, I Can Be the One. Maglalagay na lang ako ng picture dito para makita nyo yung mga swatches ng bawat isa. Sa mga gusto ding manalo tulad ko, huwag lang kayong panghinaan ng loob, try lang kayo ng try, join lang kayo ng join. And kung para sa inyo naman talaga, yung giveaway na yon, mapapanalunan nyo yun. Tip lang is, be active. Like lang kayo ng like sa mga post ng nagpapag-giveaway. Mag-comment kayo, i-share nyo rin. And eventually, mapapansin din kayo. And mapapanalunan nyo na yun. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button below and the bell notification beside it to be notified every time I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!